Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a vegetable stir fry, mainly by using crunchy and tender crisp vegetables. Lotus roots, baby corn, celery, bamboo shoot, sweet peas. Now imagine all these ingredients in one dish. It is multicolor with different texture and flavors. I'm KB Kwan, thanks for joining me in this video. Let me show you how to prepare this vegetable stir fry. I start the preparation by cutting the vegetables. This is lotus root. Cut off both ends and peel off the skin. And then cut it into thin slices. If you can't find the fresh one, try the frozen section in the store. Soak it in water if you don't use it immediately to avoid change of color. Carrot, cut it into thin slices too. And then the small baby corn. Either get it fresh or from the can. This is lily bulbs. It has a crunchy texture like onion. You can peel off the petals one by one. Then celery. Cut it into slices diagonally. Garlic sprouts looks like scallion, which tastes a little bit like French beans. You can also add some button mushrooms or dry mushrooms. Bamboo shoots, you can either get the fresh one or those vacuum packed or in can. Some ginkgo nuts. I'm using those that has already peeled. Fresh ginkgo nuts are more flavorful, but you have to crack the nuts yourself. Lastly, sweet peas. Snap the tips both ends and then pull along the pot to remove the fibrous string both sides. Now the second part, the stir fry sauce. Mix these seasoning ingredients together. Oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, salt, cornstarch, and some water to become the sauce. Before I stir fry, I want to partially cook some of the ingredients that need a little longer time to cook. This is because stir frying is a quick process, and I want to stir fry everything to the right doneness at the same time. Get a pot of boiling water, add the carrots, followed by the lotus roots, the bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot is not hard, but I want to get rid of the raw smell. Let it boil for about 1.5 minutes. Then add the sweet peas. Once the water is boiling again, remove and drain. Now the last step, stir frying the vegetables. Saute some coarsely chopped garlic over low heat. When it becomes aromatic, add the celery, followed by the bamboo shoot, button mushrooms, and all those partially cooked vegetables in the previous step. Then the lily bulbs. Sweet corns, garlic sprouts, ginkgo nuts, stir fry the vegetables for a short while and then add the pre-constituted sauce. The cornstarch will eventually thicken the sauce and turns it into a gravy. Turn up the heat to maximum to generate the wok aroma. The time required to stir fry depends on the amount of the vegetables and the power of your stove. The end point is there's no more or very little gravy that's left in the wok. We don't want to have a pool of gravy soaking the vegetables. When it is done, dish out and served immediately. That's how I prepare this vegetable stir fry, mainly by using crunchy and tender crisp vegetables. If you like this recipe, I've included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. I'll see you again in some other videos on this channel soon, and bye for now.